This 5-minute solution will show you how to delete a Facebook group permanently. Follow these easy steps to delete your group permanently. Go ahead and open your Facebook. And now we need to open that actual group that we want to delete. So tap on menu and tap on groups. And tap on your groups. And here you will get all of your group. And to delete any group, make sure you are the owner or admin of the group. Now open the group and tap on manage. Now scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on delete group. Since you are the last admin and member, leaving will also delete this group. So before deleting any group, make sure to delete or remove all members from your group. Now just tap on delete group, and that's it. As you can see, the group has been successfully deleted. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.